By now you know how powerful text marketing can be for your business, but you might not have real-world examples to help get you started. There's a common misconception that text marketing is just about sending customers mass discounts or coupon codes, but that's just the beginning. Text marketing can be used in many different ways to strengthen your brand, educate your customers, and create more personal relationships. Hey, I'm Isaiah Rendoria with Podium. We've helped thousands of local businesses use text marketing to grow. And now I'm going to show you 8 real-world ideas to help get you started. Let's talk shop.
3, 2, 1.
Idea number 1, sale or discount promotions. Let's start with the most obvious example, which are offers that are associated with a specific financial incentive to boost demand for certain products or services. This is probably the first thing that comes to mind when you think about text marketing, and these can include your buy one get one offers, your 20% off coupons, or other promotions like those. Idea number 2, new product or service offerings. Not all text promotions need to be attached to a discount or sale. There are many instances where spreading awareness and maximizing visibility is the #1 priority, like when you have something new to offer. You can easily make the arrival of your new product or service a hit by sending a text to generate buzz. Idea number 3, low inventory reminder. No one wants to miss out, especially on an item that has become rare due to low supply. Address this pain point by hitting consumers with a marketing text to convince even your most reluctant customers to act quickly and take advantage of that offer. For service-based businesses, you can drive the same point home by letting your customers know that your calendar is quickly filling up. Idea number 4, restocking notifications. Given the recent supply chain challenges, customers are excited to hear when you've restocked popular items. Restocking notifications can be particularly effective if you take into account customers' purchase history with you. Carefully segment your customers to be able to send personalized, relevant, restocking marketing messages that convert. For more information on selecting and segmenting your audience, check out our video on choosing the perfect text marketing audience. Idea number 5, service or maintenance reminders. These types of promotions are going to be great for businesses that provide repeat services. Watch how fast you can fill your service calendar by notifying your customers who bought from you earlier this year or who are on an annual maintenance plan. Idea number 6, event promotions. Are you hosting an upcoming event and looking to drive more traffic? This can be easily accomplished by sending out a personalized invitation, especially when you sweeten the deal and include an enticing offer. Idea number 7, on-trend product highlight. Ride the trend wave and get the most legwork out of your inventory by letting customer preferences guide your marketing strategy. Send a text promotion to market your best-selling and most popular items. Idea number 8, holiday promotions. You're probably already planning to run some campaigns during the holidays. After all, it's the season for shopping. Text marketing is one of the best ways to send warm wishes and drive more interest in your offerings. All right, so there you are, 8 text marketing ideas to get you started. Of course, there are countless other ways to market over text. Feel free to share some of your ideas in the comments below. And make sure to watch the rest of the videos in this text marketing series where we'll talk shop about building your subscriber list, targeting the right audiences, crafting messages that sell, and much more. Thanks for talking shop. I'll catch you next time.